What I thought was really funny is my little 5-year-old daughter, she could tell a difference. And we hadn't really talked about it with her. It's not like we sit down with her and say, hey, we had a new water system put in. But she could tell a difference. She gets in the bath and she goes, why does the water feel different? And I said, oh, well, it's because we just had a water tech system installed. So the kids have loved it, but my wife, I think, is the most excited about it. She's talked about how her hair and her skin feel better. There's a lot of just the peace of mind for her, knowing that every faucet, all the water going through the home is filtered.
We had a water softener. It was very inefficient, filling it up with salt monthly. And when we were told that not only was the water going to be reionized so it wasn't slippery, although after 17 years we'd gotten used to that, having to not fill that tank up every month was just huge. I mean, being told that we would go from monthly fill-ups to annual fill-ups, we were like, oh, that's easy.
With our previous water softener, we could tell the difference between the normal tap water and the water that's going through kind of the generic version of the water softener. And it kind of made the water feel, I don't know if slimy is the right word, but sort of slimy. And now with the normal, with the water tech system, we don't feel like that weird quality, like it's been processed. It just feels like normal filtered water.